Good morning, everyone. Happy whatever day it is when I finally upload this video. Right now it's currently Sunday and it's moving day. Yay. I know you're probably thinking, what do you mean it's moving day? You guys bought your house like the beginning of the year. Yes, we did. The first couple of months we were remodeling, and the shower and the bathroom took a lot longer than we had expected. A long story short, like the piping and the floors and everything just needed to be redone, so it took longer. And that's the only shower we have right now. This is the awful situation at my house. We finally started moving stuff in, and it is a mess. There was actually a lot more stuff, but I hung a good amount of clothes up. But our living room is no longer a living room. So bad. But we're clearing stuff up. Those clothes over there I'm going to be selling. I have a ton of clothes to sell just because I do not want a crowded closet. So if I haven't worn it in like over a year, it's going. This is some stuff that I'm selling. I'm going to be posting this today. So by the time you see this video, it'll most likely be posted. So I have two big bags full of clothes that I'm selling. These are just some of them. I'm getting ready to take photos so I can post them online. But like this one, this is a cute little romper from Zoffel, but I have such long arms that the arms fit kind of short, and it eventually started bugging me, so I never wore it because it just looked weird with my long arms. But so cute, and still has the tag. And then I have this playsuit romper type thing. I actually posted this online. This was from GS Love, and it sold out. Everyone kept asking where I got it from, but it was sold out by the time I got it. So I'm just going to post it online, I think like for $15, because honestly, it's kind of thin. So I'm just going to put it up for 15 bucks because I want to sell all these clothes as fast as I possibly can. And then this one, oh my gosh, I love this dress. But because it fits so tight on my butt, it really stretches, and then you can see my underwear underneath it. But I still have the tag on it, and I'm going to sell it for like 20 bucks because, I mean, I don't want to sell anything expensive. So super cute, really stretchy, has a cute bow top. And then I have this bathing suit here that I never wore. It's from Fashion Nova. It's a medium. It's cute, but I have so many of these. And then I also have this beautiful mermaid dress. Oh my gosh. When I wore this, the first time I wore it, it was in Vegas. I got this years ago. It was $200. I think I spent 220 bucks on it. Yeah, but it's really thick. This flares out, so it's stiff right here. It has tulle, so it stays flared out. So it's a legit mermaid dress. I got so many compliments in Vegas when I wore this. It's just so beautiful. This kind of reminds me of like spider webs. But like I said, I have two bagfuls of things. It's taken me forever to put them up because I had them stored away because we were supposed to move a long time ago, but you know, everything happened, so they've just been in there. And I need them gone. I do not want to have as many clothes as I do now. So check out my Poshmark. It's at Pinup Doll Ashley. You have to search it up there. And that's where I sell all of my stuff. It's just a lot easier for me. So be sure to add me on Poshmark. If you don't know my username, it is Pinup Doll Ashley. So for Poshmark, you can download the app for free with the link in the description box below. So this is Poshmark. It's an app that you get on your phone. And this, I'm going to go to my main one. This is just like from people I follow. It shows me different things if they've added stuff. So it's basically like Instagram, but for buying and selling clothes. It's like its own little social media universe. And this is my page. So that's my username. If you're going to look up my closet, you have to look up Pinup Doll Ashley. That is me. And then I'm going to go to my closet. This is my page. I know, I still have blonde hair. I haven't changed it. Follower count, how many people I'm following, and how many listings I have. right now. This was that stuff that I showed you. So I'm just selling this one. Okay, this one I'm selling for 100, but because I only wore it maybe like twice and it's such good quality. But everything else is like super cheap. I have that stuff. I'm listing stuff right now. It's just so hot in my house. All this other stuff, it's just my sales. So when I click on feed, I'm telling you, it's just like Instagram. When I click on feed, these are all the people I follow. So I can click, it'll tell me if they've listed something new. So I can click on theirs and I can look through their closets, see what they've added. So it's really convenient and it's super easy. Like I said, it's pretty much like Instagram, but for clothing. I'm gonna give you like a mini little update. Everything's pretty much decorated, but we started moving our stuff in. It was so much worse before. It was, you couldn't even walk through there. You couldn't sit on the couches. And my dining room, see, we have all the decor in pretty much, just like the big staple pieces. But now we have like clothes and random stuff here that I need to put away. So as you walk in, here's my whole tree. I painted it. I'll give you details. I really wanted to film like painting it and everything, but that was the whole, I did all this stuff when everything was going on with my grandpa, so I didn't film anything. So this whole tree was, I'll put a photo, but it was like a really just, it was a wood color, so I completely changed that. This rug I got on Overstock. This mirror, oh, I love this mirror. It was actually a bronze color and I got it on Letgo for $100. It's an 8-foot mirror and the guy was selling it for $150, but he let it go for $100. He sold it cheap because he said that his ex-girlfriend bought it for him. They broke up and he's just trying to get rid of everything. So, hey, that was a benefit for me. These candelabras, I got 5 of these. Each one was $25. These, the cheapest I could find them was like $40. And then my mom had decorated those for our first wedding just to kind of give a little bit of decor. So I just put them in the house. And this is all our junk. And then that candelabra right there, my mom got me as a gift. She got it at Home Goods for $100. And then these lamps I got at Ross for $15 each. So these are my couches. Go over here. The couch I got from Wayfair. It was like $580. Oh, I started a home decor Instagram. It's called Herrera Manor. So that's where I'm going to be posting all my home decor updates, things that I do. And I give very detailed posts about where I bought certain things, how I changed certain things. Just like this chandelier, it didn't come with those little crystals going down. I actually bought the crystals on Amazon and then I changed the sizing and kind of just designed it the way I wanted to. And then this mirror, oh, I love that mirror. I actually got it on OfferUp for $30. So I got these really huge mirrors for such a good price. This other mirror over here that we're gonna put in the hallway, I got for $50. So I'm really excited about all the stuff that I'm getting for really cheap. These paintings are the ones that were in our apartment years ago. We finally got to bring them back out. And then, oh, those, my black couches are from Wayfair as well. And then I'll give you like another tour when it's like actually clean. And then this one I got on OfferUp. It was 2 chairs and 2 side tables for $125. We bought them off of someone. And then my rug I got for super cheap. It was like $112. My table I got for $300, $393. And then my chairs for a set of 2, it was $163, I believe. Those sconces, I think I showed that to you before, $35. The wallpaper I got on Graham and Brown. So they're selling a roll for $120. I didn't pay that. I paid $57 $53 or $57 for a roll, and they're always having sales, so do not pay full price. This is like my prize, one of my prized possessions. I absolutely love it. I got this huge mirror for $20 from someone on OfferUp. You guys, you can find so much good stuff on OfferUp. You just have to constantly keep looking. And then my chandelier I got for $130 on eBay. And look at my china cabinet. So my china cabinet was a wood color. I'll show you, like, I'll post the before and after. And I painted it black. I used the, right now it's dirty. I need to seal it. I haven't put the hemp oil on it because I've just been lazy, to be quite honest. And then I still have to put the 2 doors back on, which I haven't done. So yeah, and then there's this mess here. And then our kitchen, it was clean. We got black stainless appliances. The refrigerator, this is the only space that it can go. That's why this whole area looks kind of awkward. We're going to get rid of this table and get like a little breakfast nook bench table. That way there's more room because this is just so awkward right here. And then I got a mint. So my appliances, at least like the smaller ones, my microwave, I'm going to get a mint one. I got that mint. I got my blender mint. That's mint. So this is the kitchen, the backsplash. I think I showed you guys this already. Oh, and because the owner was like the worst DIY guy and didn't know how to do it, that whole cabinet actually fell off. I came in one day and it had broken my 3-tier thing, which I'm so upset about. And it was on the floor, but fortunately it didn't ruin the floors. So that kind of got chipped. If you can see on the corner, that got chipped. So everything on the cabinet was in there except for that wine and all that. But fortunately, that cabinet, I didn't have any glass. It was just like this popcorn stuff, that plastic stuff, all that plastic stuff. That wasn't plastic, but it didn't break. So I'm so glad nothing broke. And then this is the little guest room. It was like the guest room toilet. It was blue. We painted the walls like a tan color. We still need to finish putting this, changing the doors. And we just got a simple plain white vanity. This one we're just like keeping really simple. We changed the outlets. Oh, and then my appliances. Yay! And hopefully by the end of this video, I can show you exactly how everything looks clean. And this is my bathroom. I have a whole bunch of stuff in it right now, but I posted the clean version on Instagram. Got my chandelier, got my tub working. This is its own little separate toilet room. We still haven't put the shower door in, so right now we just have a rod. We still haven't finished painting the ceiling. And then this is my closet room. So as you can see, I finally started putting things in, but there's still a lot to do. I have a lot of stuff on the floor. So the next time you see this room, it's going to be organized. It's going to look nice, but I didn't want to keep holding off because I know I've had so many of you asking me to give at least a little update. So this is the update. Completely different. This was a fish room before. And then, yay, this is the room. Look at my bed. I got it at Appliance Connection. It was like $670. All those are those sheer curtains. They're just window curtains that I put on here instead. So they fit perfect. I absolutely love just the goth vibe. We still need to bring our mattress in. This is my wallpaper. I got the wallpaper at Target, but don't buy it at Target. Target has cheap peel and stick wallpaper. I had a professional install that one, so it shouldn't be peeling anytime soon. But it was the same price for cheap quality when you can get good quality at Graham & Brown for super cheap. And then this is the guest room. This is where all of Jay's stuff is gonna go. So, I mean, I have some of my things in here, but it's just only here because my stuff isn't put away yet. But these are all of Jay's bags that are in here. This is gonna be the guest room. He still has a lot of designing to do, but he works so much that he hasn't been able to do much. This is gonna be his closet. And I'm not helping him because I want him to enjoy the experience of like creating his own room, which is what he wants to do. Oh my gosh, guys, I am already sweating. It is so hot in here. Our AC isn't working, which is really annoying. So I have like all the windows open. I normally have the door open, but today it's not as hot as all the other days, but still. I have my beer. It's nothing better than a cold beer on a super hot day. I'm gonna eat, and right now I'm going to watch some Netflix. This one seems good. Oh, it's a season. So right now Aziza's here with me. She's helping me organize all my makeup. We're cleaning it.
All the goodies.
We have our beer, our wine, and our chips.
Someone called TLC hoarders.
Shut
in charge of the casting of that show. I have a contestant, not even contestant. I can't even talk right now. A candidate. I have a candidate for this damn show. I'm saying.
Whatever. We've been doing good though.
We've been doing very well.
Yeah.
Very well.
Yeah.
We have a lot of stuff. Here's her little bag of trash.
Yeah. So.
It's only 5 things though.
Shut up. It's not.
Progress.
So that is it for today, you guys. I know it was like a mini little house update. I keep giving mini updates. Well, actually this one was a lot bigger than the last one because the last one I didn't have like all my furniture and stuff going on. It's just been taking so long and I didn't want to keep you guys hanging because like I said, a lot of you were just like, give us an update already. So this is the update. Let me know what video you'd like to see next. Do you want a makeup tutorial? Do you want a hair tutorial? Do you want to get ready with me? Now that I wasn't doing videos for so long, I feel like I don't know what anybody likes anymore. It feels like I was gone for years instead of a few months. I mean, even though I uploaded at least once a month, but still, I don't know. So you guys need to help me. You guys need to get me back into like my groove so I know what you guys are looking for because right now I just don't know. But I hope you all enjoy your day. Thank you for watching me. I really appreciate it and I love you dolls. Bye. And also don't forget to download Poshmark using the description link below and let me know your Poshmark handle so I can shop your closets. Bye, loves.